Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. I will produce myself. My name is Muhammad Ferry Shafai. I am from Class C History Department. I will reading practice material about transportation. Electric cars, past, present, and future. Ford intend to become a leader in electric cars. Goes back to the company earliest day in 100 plus year for products numerous look-in convex, a few products models, and a lot of gas electric hybrid, but the company EV effort are most left unknown today. The company is promising 16 nails for electric car in the next 3 years as we await their arrival. Let's look for clues about the future for Ford electric car by looking at its past. First, as early as 1903, Henry Ford was aware that his friend Thomas Edison was experimenting with battery technology for vehicles. But it was until 1914 that Ford began officially working on a low-cost electric car. According to Nell's account, the goal was to sell the so-called edition for as low as $500 only, slightly more than a Model T in the day. With a year, I hope we shall begin the manufacture of an electric automobile, Mr. Ford told the New York Times in January 1914. The problem so far has been to build a strong battery of lightweight with work over for long distances without race hardening. The batteries under the scene on the first couple of electric prototypes were capable of somewhere between 50 and 100 miles on a single charge. Ford was also rumored to be establishing a Detroit-based facility to produce the first Ford EV for introduced in 1915. During this era, electric cars were particularly appealing to women. Unlike gas cars that started with a hard shark better Ford automobiles did takes a lot of muscle to offer EVs were ready and then did produce foul-smelling emission. Henry Ford Bureaucrat, who drove an 8 million in 1914, declared electric was an early EV advocate. By May 1914, Mr. Ford said it's coming and he was proclaiming an EV revolution in the world. The electric automobile will be the family car of the future. Historians aren't certain why Ford never delivered on his promise for the Edison Ford car. Some say that he was pulled away on other projects, but others believe that the electric self-starter was the culprit. When internal combustion cars started replacing hard cars with electric starter EVs were from of a key selling point. Each of us should dismiss car encouragement and enforcement of about on $5 million in his electric car project. Ford solved his plan for a next affordable electric vehicles. Freshen the unexpected success of the Toyota Prius in the 2000s ushered in what may be described as the hybrid decade. That period was defined by automakers on again question if batteries were affordable and robust enough for electric car. Ford says it affords to hybrids and affords that continuous which is currently enough. In the wake of the 2008 financial crisis, for Westwell forced to push for EVs, a technology favored by the now Obama administration. The company unveiled its Focus Electric at the 2009 Frankfurt Motor Show, using the Focus platform was a logical choice. Auto Crisis consistently pointed to the Focus as one of the most attackers mile cars on the road. The EV variants, which went into production by 2011, ushered a 3 kWh battery pack official rated to 376 miles of range. It was introduced. The Focus Electric was the only four EV that looked and drove like a so-called normal car. That was a welcome relief from Galaxy EV, dashing like the first generation Nissan Leaf and Mitsubishi IME EV. Also, the Focus was fun to drive. The 133 horsepower motor provided decent zip. The liquid-cooled battery management system ensured consistent year-round range and battery life. The big drawback with the Ford Focus Electric was lack of cargo space. As a gas car converted to run on electricity, the main battery pack was packed under the lift-gate, rendering hard cargo space below 39% to just 14.5 cubic feet. Future automobiles and connected vehicles perhaps the most anticipated element of intelligent transportation system is the connected phase. The imminent arrival of connected vehicles is one reason for new vision of transformation within a metro area. Technology focus on wireless communication, vehicles to vehicle, V2V, vehicle to pedestrian, V2V, and vehicle to infrastructure, V2I collectively refers to as V2X, enter that primarily to infrared safety. V2V technology alone can to continually communicate to the visual around them so as are aware of the other's speed, heading, and direction. Connected vehicles also help in recognizing and alerting driver to danger situation by ending communication when in hazardous road hours and intersection. V2I technology extends cars reduction capability by allowing automatic control of signal, timing, speed management, and operation of transit and commercial vehicles. The connected vehicle technologies already said Suzanne Murtan, Senior Program Manager for Intelligent Transportation in Teachers and Akin Global, now is a matter of government capturing and sharing data about real-time on the street traffic conditions so drivers can make better cookies. A different but related technology is that of autonomous vehicles. Perhaps the most famous example of which is the Google self-driving car. Autonomous car as a combination of LiDAR, similar to sonar but with laser light, GPS, optical camera, and big-time processing to analyze millions of possible roadway scenarios and then take the appropriate action. The ultimate goal for autonomous facial. Technology is to make the facial so intelligent that no driver input is needed. However, truly autonomous facial, wherein the driver can give up hold complement control to the car, remain on the distant horizon. According to Ford, is this incremental technological and fun common that we are on they live to driverless cars?